Okay, welcome to my office. This is the door, and that's my table. See, it's too messy here. This is the place where I accepted my guest. See, my things, my PC, my table, things to do. And here's the view from the outside. See, I'm from the 23rd floor of this building in Ortigas. See how tall the building are?